What is up guys, Dan at this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password in ElevenLabs. So first, you need to log in with your ElevenLabs account, and then on the left side, when you're redirected to the home page, on the left side at the bottom, you need to click on My Account and then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, this is the window that will open, and here in the Profile section, on the right side of the email address, you will see the option to change your password. Click on that, and after clicking on that, here you can uh, see the option. Just simply click on this change password, and then the password reset email address will be sent to your email. So just simply open your email, and after that, here is the password reset request. So just simply click on this change password, and after clicking on change password, here in the new tab, you just need to enter your new password, and then you need to re-enter the new password that you just entered here. And after that, just simply click on change password, and then your password will be changed. So this is how you can change or reset your password in ElevenLabs. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.